Hey, I'm Tom Lamb. I'm half Scottish and half French, and I've been living in Sweden with my Irish girlfriend and now my 6-week-old baby boy for about 5 years. So, like many people, I left school knowing what degree I wanted to do, but not necessarily whether I wanted to do that later in life. And when I came to Sweden, I started a job as a product manager in a small startup here. So in this startup, as these products got bigger and bigger, I found that I was moving further and further away from what I really wanted to do, which was get my hands dirty, be like solving stuff, be creative. And at the same time, I was doing a lot of kind of hobby coding on the side and learning the basics of web development. So today I work for Ubiquiti, so the American hardware and software company, and I work as a full stack JavaScript engineer there. I work as part of a small team that's between the Stockholm office and the Riga office, building a product that will be shipped all around the world, which is quite daunting, but in all of Ubiquiti's markets soon, so within the next sort of couple of months. Yeah, so the bootcamp was super tough and intense. It starts off I started off in January, had 3 months where you progressively cover different topics and languages and parts of the full stack JavaScript ecosystem. But in the end, every single one of us finished off the course with a much better understanding of how to code, how to read code, and how to talk about code. I mean, pretty much everything that I learned at Salt I now use in Ubiquiti. And just like a good bootcamp should be, with Salt we learned the foundations, we learned the kind of like everything that we needed to then go on and be a real asset to the company that we're placed in afterwards. Where do I see myself in 3 years, 5 years, 10 years? I mean, as long as I'm coding, as long as I'm learning, that's kind of the more important thing for me. And yeah, I mean, this is exactly why I went into coding. So, short answer is yes. I think that changing careers can be super stressful and really daunting. Yeah, I think Salt. I think the way that they've gone about this, giving a top of the class bootcamp that also then hires you afterwards, just makes this whole experience so much less stressful. Once you eventually leave Salt, you're leaving with a brand new skill set, first experience in the industry, amazing contacts, and a lot of really fun, salty friends.